So this is our long awaited opium center table. All these years we had our eyes on it, and it's finally here. It came in wood, but we don't like wood, and the wood color does not fit inside our apartment, and it does not go along with the other furnitures as well. So that's why I chalk painted it, and the first coat is on it. As you can see, you can still see some streaks of the brush. Yeah, so we have to do a second coat, and after a second coat it's okay. And I had these spoons and fork for a very long time. I think I found them on a flea market, and they were like wood. But each time that we painted the apartment, or rather paint the kitchen, it got the color from the kitchen onto it. So today it gets black. Then I'll be hanging them in front of our kitchen on the doorpost. Yeah, so I mix another set of chalk paint. So again, how to mix a chalk paint: you buy latex paint. You can buy it matte or dull or shiny, but we took the dull or the matte one. And then you mix plaster of Paris in it, or you can also mix the plaster of Paris in extra bowl with water. Some people say like 3 spoons of water, or 3 tablespoons of water to 2 tablespoons of plaster of Paris. But you should have the consistency of like when you're going to make pancakes, or even if it's water is not bad, because when you mix it with the paint together it becomes thick anyway. So it's like this, yeah, and that's perfect. So I am going to do the second coat, and then yeah, a glass is going to come on top of this. And what I like about this chalk paint, it dries very quickly. I can tell you in 10 minutes it's dry completely. Yeah, only after it dries, and in the daylight you will also see what you have forgotten. I think the spoon and fork I will also give a second coat as well, and then we will seal this with polyacrylic. Yeah, so let me get started now. And the best thing is, when you are painting wood, you should go according to how the wood is running. Let me take this down. You can see how they glue the woods together, and so yeah, you will go according to that line. So you can see the line in the wood, so you go down like that in that direction. Carry it way out, and do not let the brush flip. That's when you wonder, how did the paint get on the couch? How did the paint get on the floor? Is because the brush always flips. So I've been painting for years, so I learned it, although you never really paint clean as you wish. So I am going to continue with this, and I don't want to see the paint brush streaks in it, so I need my concentration. Okay, hope you like this video so far, and as always at the end of the video you will see the whole result. Okay then, until later, bye. So this is the finished look of the table after a second coat, and you can see right there that streak is drying. spoon and the fork also got a second coat. So now we're waiting for it to dry so that I can flip it around and do the other side. And when you're finished with your chalk paint, you can pour it in a container like that and close it tightly. In this container I had also chalk paint inside, but there were some lumps inside. I didn't want to use it, but if you're going to use it again, you can just pour it through a strainer and get out the lumps. Okay, hope you like this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up, and you will see me in my next video. Bye.